Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I'm answering a question that I hear often. What's the process after you've purchased the windows? Whenever I go into a customer's house, and let's say from the start I get there, I'm measuring all the windows. Coming from an installation background, I usually go in and I get final measurements first. Even my sales guys, they'll go out and they'll take final measurements. Train them to do that. And the beauty of that is it's less people in the house. Most companies will have the salesperson, then they'll have a measure tech, and then you'll have the installers, and then you'll have like your final QC. Basically is this: you have a salesperson come into your house. Now they're gonna know the answers to your questions when it comes to the windows itself. What type of low E's, what's on the package, what's involved. They'll have the answers for that. Most times they don't come from a construction background. So they're not going to go, okay, well I know exactly what the measurement needs to be. What they'll end up doing is they'll have a measure tech. They'll send them over, get the final measurements. They're going to know exactly what is needed for the actual order. Then the measure tech goes out, gets his final number. Let's hope nothing has changed. Then it goes to order entries. The manufacturer, we're gonna say, all right, here's all the measurements from Mr. Smith, get it built. Okay, now there's a lead time, right? Most manufacturers have a lead time anywhere between 4 weeks and maybe 8 weeks, just depending, right? So you're gonna have to spend at least that long waiting for your windows to get manufactured. Once the windows are received, we get the stuff, we look it over, make sure it's perfect before it goes into Mr. Smith's house. Then we call, get it all scheduled. Usually, it's about a 1.5 week to 2 week lag time in between that. So from the order time to the time they get installed, I mean, it can vary, but that's the process. So once they get installed, depending on how many windows, how many doors, how many days it's actually gonna take to get the stuff installed. So they get installed, let's say it takes 2 days. Then you have the salesperson usually will come back and just verify everything worked out right. Or you'll have, in our case, like a supervisor that'll go out and just take a look and make sure everything is right. Sometimes I'll pop in, just kind of see how the process is going, see how everything's looking, show face, shake hands with the customer, and that's about it. So after that, your windows are installed. You know, they should be clean, they should be tidy, they shouldn't have left a mess all over the place for you to deal with. And if they do, you might want to say something to the salesperson, but that's about the gist of it. It's pretty straightforward. You'll love it. Windows are the best. Go out and buy them. All right, guys, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.